My first impressions when I walked in through the door in this evening was, wow. For me, it was above my expectations. It was very large. The apartment is very large, a beautiful lounge room area, very big master bedroom, gorgeous bathrooms.
Oh yeah, I was really impressed, particularly by the light, because they're 500 years old, but we came in, it was light, beautiful mirrors, a really comfortable, welcoming space. Fractional ownership for us was really important because we wanted to have a stake in the place and actually have what we would call skin in the game. That is, you actually own part of the property. And that was important to us because we genuinely want to keep coming back and be part of a community. We wanted to have a small stake in a long-term history of a region. And the fractional ownership part is great because you put in part of your capital, but you only use it part of the time. And so it's a win-win.
Coming back year after year with our family or with some friends, to me, builds memories of a lifetime. I'm a property manager in Australia and have been for 10, 15 years. So I had some very clear expectations on what I thought would give personalised service and, perfect attention. When I arrived here, Alessio and his beautiful girlfriend Mika made me think about property management in a very different way. It wasn't property management, it was home management. They can organise taxis for us, they give us advice about where to shop and where to go for little special places that only they know about Campagna.
Yeah, I mean, we originally came to Campagna as part of the Pinelli Discovery Tour and looked at a couple of the other Pinelli properties as well. And that was also really useful because we were familiarising ourselves with Italy and also the region. Although it was great fun, but it was also part of the due diligence. We love the south of Italy, but once we came to the village of Campagna, we were really sold on the place. The people are so warm. It's a small historical centre, so you really get the best of the history and the beauty of community Italy. But also the warmth of the people is striking. In just a few days, we've met literally 10, 15 people who we know by name, including the local dog. Longer term, as we come back, we plan very much to go to other parts of Italy. And it's so easy either to drive or to do it by train. And we're a stone's throw away from the Amalfi Coast, Salerno, Napoli. If we want to go south, we can go to Sicily. We go up to Florence. So that not only the village itself, but the location for us in Italy to travel to further across Europe is really attractive to us.